Children, this is page number 115 of your book. So take out your book, page number 115. The question is, the exercise is division long way. Division long way. 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So here you have to divide the 2-digit number by the 1 digit. Here the number is divide 85 by 7. Divide 85 by 7. 7 is the divisor and 85 is the dividend. So you have to write as it is written here. 85 you have to write inside and 7 you have to write outside. So 7 is the divisor. It means that you have to read the table of 7 till you are not coming close to the number 8. You should not write the number more than number 8. The number which is written below, it should not be more than the number which is given on the tens place. Here in tens place 8 is given. Okay, try to understand, children. 5 is in ones place and 8 is in tens place. So in the tens place 8 is given and you have to read the table of the divisor, whatever number is given as divisor. Here is 7, so you have to read the table of 7 and till you are not getting number 8 or nearer the number 8. So 7 1 7. So 7 one time, 7 into 1 you will get 7. So you have to write below 7. If you go 7 two times, 7 goes into 2, so it will be 14. So 14 is more than 8. So that's why we will go one time only. 7 once 7. Then you have to subtract 8 minus 7. You will get answer 1. Okay. Take out your 8 finger and close 7. You will get 1. 1 is remaining. So 1 is in the table of 7. 1 never comes. No. So what you have to do? You have to take down this number 5. 5 you have to take down by making this arrow. Now here you got the number 15. Then again read the table of 7 till you are not getting the number 15 or just close to the 15. 7 1 7, 7 2s are 14. If you go 7 3s are, then it will be 21. 21 will be more than 15. So you should not write the number more than 15. Okay, that's why we'll go 2 times. 7 2s are 14. Now 5 minus 4 you will get remainder as 1. So here the quotient is 12 and the remainder is 1. Clear, children? This way you have to do division. I am doing one more question for you. Just see it. Here you have to divide 93. 93 by 5. Divide 93 by 5. Now how you have to do it? See, children, first you make this when you copy. This is question number 1. Put the question number 1. Write 93 inside that and 5 is the divisor. So 5. Now what you have to do? You have to read the table of 5 till you are not getting the number 9 or near to the number 9. You can do roughly here rough work and write the table of 5 also. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So if you read the table of 5 2 times, you get 10. 10 is more than this number 5 and you should not write more than the number which is given on tens place. Okay, this is tens place. So we'll go one time only, that is 5 1 5. Okay, now you have to subtract. 9 minus 5, take out your 9 fingers and close 5. 4 is left. 4 is left. Now 4 is less than this number 5. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to take down this ones place, that is 3. Now read the table of 5 till you are not getting near to the number 43. So 5 1 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40 and 5 9s are 45. So 45 is more than 43. So you have to stop here only. That is 5 8s are 40. Now you have to subtract. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. So here 3 is your remainder. 3 is remainder and 18 is your quotient. Clear? So try to understand. Pay attention here. Surely you will learn it. One more question I am doing for you. Look here. That is 72 divide 6. Okay, this way also we can write, or 72 by 6 also you can write. Now you have to, this is the sign of division. Now you have to write this number in this 72. This should be joined, divided by 6. Now read table of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 is more than this tens place. Okay, that's why we'll go one time. 6 1s are 6. Now what you have to do, children? Tell what you have to do. We have to subtract it. Put the sign of minus. Draw the line. Take out your 7 finger and close 6 finger. What is left? 1 is left. Now what you have to do? You have to take out the down the ones number, that is 12. Now again read the table of 6 so that you can get the number 12 or close to that. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. You got 12 now? So you have to write again this 12 below the number. Then put the sign of subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Instead of 0 you can put the cross. So here our remainder is 0. Remainder, that is in short I have written R, and your quotient is 12. Got it? So this exercise which are given on page number 116 you have to do in your copy. Do in copy. Here is not in a space. So do in the copy. Okay. Now I am trying to explain you one more exercise, that is page number 117. Page number 117. Now what here is divide 73 by 4. This is short way method. That was long way method. Here is short way method. 2 digit number by 1 digit. Same thing, but that we were doing in long way method, and this we are doing by short way method. So let's divide it. In short way method you have to make this type of column, and here you have to write 73 and here 4. Now you have to read the table of 4 and you have to come close to the number 7. Close to the number 7 means it should not be more than the number 7. 7 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए उसके पास वाला number. Now start reading. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 8 is more than 7. So you have to go once time only. 4 1s are 4. Okay. So here you have to write 1. Now because 4 1s are 4, then 7 minus 4. 4 1s are 4, we said no. So 7 minus 4 is what? 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So here it will be 33. Okay. Now again you have to read the table of 4 so that you can come close to the number 33. You understood how you got 33? Here 73 is there, no? And you have written 4 1s are 4 means 7 minus 4. That is 3, and this 3 you have to keep down. So you will get here 33. Now read table of 4 so that you can come close to the number 33. So start. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, and 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. So 4 8s are 32 is nearer to number 33. So here you will write 8s are 32. Then because here the number 33 is there, so remainder is 1. Remainder is 1 because 4 8s are 32 only you got. Understood? And your quotient is 18. Clear? You want to do one more? Okay. So here we'll stop this. You try to do page number 117, and in my next video I will try to teach you some more questions of the same exercise. First of all, you try to complete of page number 117 question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 question you try to do today. Okay, remaining we will do in the next class. Thank you, children.